What's the meaning of bosom? Bosom. Bosom.
Bosom. Bosom. Bosom can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to the chest area of a human body, especially that of a woman. It can also be used metaphorically to describe something that is close and intimate, like a bosom friend. In some contexts, it can even refer to the inside or interior of an object, such as the bosom of the earth. The meaning of bosom can vary greatly depending on the situation, but it generally connotes a sense of warmth, closeness, and familiarity.